following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located 29 nautical miles south of Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots or higher, and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is NOAA Weather Radio.